20. Sunset is 7:48. Go to sleep. Yeah. Okay. Early morning, I'll stay watching The village news. Warning, there's gonna be a tornado, huge, large F2 tornado, maybe F3 with a baseball, nearly softball size and 3.75 inches. It's gonna crash your windows. So please stay safe. Go to the shelter and stay safe. And look at this. This is the incident yesterday because I have a bombing right here. 2 people will die and 5 people were injured. Okay. That's a massive incident. But this is not about the tornadoes. So the tornado will be a F3, EF3 maybe. And winds about to 155 miles per hour. The damaging wind gust is just of 80 miles per hour, which is a 64 mile an hour wind gust. No, 64 mile an hour winds. Look, and people are prepared because after watching the news and they should go to their bunker or shelter. Please stay safe. Villages. Oh my god, what is happening? Oh, severe. Oh my god. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Canadian County in central Oklahoma, Northern Caddo County in central Oklahoma, Western Oklahoma County in northwestern Oklahoma, Central Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging wind gusts, excess of 80 mile an hour wind gusts, with the 90 miles per hour wind gusts, with the large baseball-sized hail. Please stay safe. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning. Okay. Let's go to the bunker. Hello? Yeah, where is the tornado located? There's a confirmed massive wedge tornado. Our 3 miles front of your house. It's moving towards you at 35 miles per hour. It's moving very fast. Okay. Goodbye. Bye. Oh, gotta go to the bunker. It's moving at 35 miles per hour. That's a damaging tornado. Right now it's 7:45. No, right now it's 7:47. Gotta go in now. There's gonna be a tornado coming right here. It's a matter of time, baby! But it's gonna blow my windshield here. No, I mean windows. Go away. Go away, I say, go away. Oh my god, oh my god. We're inside the hailstorm right now. Hey! You gotta go here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hope it's okay right here. I forgot to make a door. So. Oh my god, what is happening right now? Oh my god. Oh my god. What is happening? Oh, why is not flying? Oh. Oh my god. Oh! No! I want to go down here. Oh my god. Damaging wind gusts. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's huge whack tornado. Oh, I'm sorry. We need to go here. Oh, no! I'm trapped in here. Oh my god. Oh. Get out of the way, I want to make scaffolding. You're gonna hit by it. Oh my god. Whoa! We're gonna hit by a damaging hail and wind gust. Oh my god. ballistic.
Apa? Apa? Ya, aduh. Oh kita. Apa yang hijau? Kenapa lalu?
Tak payahlah lah, pijak. Oh, need to charge. Oh my god. Go charge. Whoa, what is happening?
Tak boleh. Baru masuk ke bateri dia. Lima juga.
Whoa,
Ya, kita pakai power bank.
oh my god, look at that damage right here, oh my god. Oh my god, I think, oh my god, look at that. I think, okay, see you tomorrow guys, happy trails.